love Japan.
You don't miss
My
Karuhatan,
favorite.
Kyla?
Okay lang po wala
I miss
siya.
Karuhatan.
What's your favorite? Japan? Singapore? Australia? Dubai or Malaysia?
Ito, matarik pa. Ito na.
Malaysia.
Yun ang tarik natin, no? Grabe yung
Talaga.
tarik ko. Pataas talaga eh.
Mama's favorite is Japan.
Hindi mo nakita yung pinanggalingan
I
natin.
think Japan and Malaysia.
Daddy's favorite is Australia. Now my favorite is Japan, and I also love
Do you remember
Dubai.
Australia, Ada? Where you were crying and crying when Daddy was eating and eating lamb? You remember that?
Then Mama was haggard.
Remember? You were crying and crying.
Because you were crying and crying.
And Daddy was
Tito Ian,
cooking and
Tita
eating.
Chay, Tita Andrea, and then Bella,
Kasi taas na.
Arbingina, and Tita Badel.
Ayun yung pinanggalingan natin. Taas na. Sobrang tarik nitong
Wala
huli.
na, Marco. Baguio na yung taas natin. Ito na. Kanina, ano eh.
Tagaytay.
Hindi. Nagpa sa Tagaytay. Bukid nun. Kanina bukid nun. Ngayon, Baguio
Oo,
na.
grabe yun. Grabe yung tarik nito. Ito yung pinakamatarik. Nakakiyat. Oh, tahimik si Grace tsaka si Kyla.
Naririnig mo